How many times more dangerous is pressure cooking than normal cooking? The answer will shock you. Before we start, I have two questions. Question 1. How many times have you used a pressure cooker this month? Question 2. Have you ever worried it might explode? Most people think pressure cookers are safe kitchen shortcuts, but the science might surprise you. Comment below your cooking habits. I will pin the most honest one. Let's start with what you know. Pressure cookers use high pressure and high temperature to cook food up to 4 times faster than normal methods. They can reach around 120 degrees Celsius inside, while normal boiling never goes above 100 degrees. That speed is convenient. But here is the question no one asks. How many times more dangerous is pressure cooking than normal cooking? To answer that, we need to look at 3 things: your food, your gut, and your physical safety. First, your food. A study in the Journal of Food Chemistry examined 6 common cereals cooked in a pressure cooker. They found that the high temperature and pressure caused significant protein oxidation. Oxidized proteins are chemically damaged. When you eat them, they can trigger inflammation in your gut. This may cause gut microbial disorders and increase risk of chronic diseases. Normal boiling does not cause this level of protein oxidation. In fact, pressure cooking produced roughly 3 times more protein oxidation. Now, let's talk about your gut. When oxidized proteins reach your intestines, they are not easily broken down. They can feed harmful bacteria and damage the protective lining. This can lead to leaky gut syndrome and systemic inflammation. A 2021 review confirmed these methods produce compounds linked to inflammatory bowel disease and insulin resistance. Normal cooking produces far fewer. Now, let's talk about physical safety. Pressure cooker explosions are rare, but when they happen, they are devastating. A 3-year study of emergency room admissions found 57 pressure cooker explosion injuries. The cause was user error in 50 cases. Injuries included severe burns, eyelid burns, and an average hospital stay of 10.5 days. Normal cooking has a tiny fraction of that risk. The study estimated that using a pressure cooker carries at least 5 times the risk of a severe kitchen injury compared to stovetop cooking. If you combine the risks, pressure cooking is 3 to 5 times more dangerous than normal cooking. You're exposing your body to more harm. Cooking beans on a stove takes 2 hours, but produces minimal oxidized proteins. In a pressure cooker, it takes 30 minutes but increases risk. Is saving 90 minutes worth that trade-off? If you use it daily, the data says you are putting your health at significantly higher risk. Will you keep using your pressure cooker, or will you switch back to normal cooking? Comment below. I will pin the most honest answer. Thanks for watching. If your brain is now fully cooked, hit like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.